Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: mesh plates, a fishbowl frame, bolts, and sealant, then equip a powered drill. Fit the bowl by measuring the opening precisely. This prevents misalignment while you mount. Once the frame sits flush, hand thread 3 bolts to hold position, then tighten in a star pattern to avoid stress. Make sure to apply a thin bead of sealant across seams. This keeps water and pressure balanced. From here, you'll move to reinforcing and integrating the mesh for stability. Now reinforce the mesh. Place panels with a 1/2 inch overlap and fasten using corrosion-resistant clips so seams stay durable. Once overlapped, add cross-bracing every 6 inches, weld or rivet at intersections to lock geometry. You want consistent tension. Tighten turnbuckles until the mesh is snug, but not so tight it warps the frame. As you work, periodically inspect alignment and smooth any creases. This prevents weak points. When all panels are secure, proceed to seal and integrate sensors or access ports. Finish by sealing every seam thoroughly with the prescribed sealant and allow a full cure period. Use a heat lamp if available to speed this. Once cured, perform a submersion and pressure test. Slowly fill to expected levels and watch carefully for bubbles or displacement. If you detect leaks, don't panic. Stop, drain, then retighten bolts and add a patch mesh over the compromised area before resealing. One key troubleshooting tip: small leaks often come from uneven bolt torque.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.